Hi, welcome to a bonus Eco Sports edition of ecopenny. I'm getting a bit of cabin fever with the COVID-19 home isolation situation, and the weather's bad, winter's approaching, so I'm going to make a home gym. So I hope everyone's faring well with this bad outbreak, following the government's rules of social distancing and all that sort of stuff. In Australia, we're in semi-lockdown at the moment, so you can still go out for grocery shopping, essential work and things like that, but everything's been cancelled. No mass gatherings, no more than 2 people together if they're exercising or whatever outside, unless they're members of the same household or same family. So, got to get some exercise. It's been raining quite a lot the last day or two, which has been really good because we've needed the rain. Still in drought. Dam for the town's down to 29%. So I'm going to set up a dragon boat erg for some dragon boat paddling training, and I'm going to put the old Apollo mountain bike onto the trainer so I can do some indoor bike training as well while the weather's bad. So this is my pull-up bar. Got it from a Kmart in Sydney probably 2 or 3 years ago. So you can hook it up onto a door frame for the pull-ups. So it works with a standard door frame. One end goes on there. Just got to make sure it's securely fitted. Don't leave it there when you're not using it. Always take it down. Make sure these bits are resting on the sides of the door frame. This is the other side. Here goes nothing. I'll try and do 5. Gotta make sure you're free hanging. Legs are free. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's all I could do. Good thing for plantar fasciitis is to use a foot roller. So that's where you get a bit of inflammation on the thick band of tissue tendon at the bottom of the foot, causes a bit of heel pain. So let's give that a go. Got my foot roller there, so you just roll your foot over. It's good to do that morning and night. Got my dragon boat ergometer here, so I made this a while ago. Handles out of wooden dowels. Got some cord. Got a pulley here from the local hardware store. This spring and this clamp is from one of those baby's door hangers, where you can clip that to a door frame and the baby bounces up and down. So I won't need this part because I've got a hook in my garage, and I've got a weight at the end. This one's a 4 kilo, just to give a bit of tension. So I've got a hook in my ceiling so I can hook everything to that. You need to do both sides, same as a normal dragon boat. So I'll start off paddling on the left. Let's give some left side paddling a go. Inside foot forwards, outside foot back. Arms nice and straight. Try and get some reach. Head forwards, looking straight ahead. Got it all set up now. This is an inexpensive BikeMate brand one. I got this a few years ago. So it's got a quick release system here and just attaches to where the rear nuts go on the bike. And you adjust this screw here to get the roller up and down to go flush against the tyre. It gives you a tension selector, so you've got 1 to 7 depending on how hard you want to go. So give it a whirl on my Apollo Summit. Might be able to hear it's a bit windy and wild outside, so it's nice to be able to train indoors. That's enough of a workout. I hope you enjoyed my home gym. The sun's come out and the rain's stopped. Let's check the rain gauge. So that's pretty awesome. I've got 48 millilitres there. That's overnight and this morning. That's pretty impressive. So that's it for now. I hope you enjoyed my home gym. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell to ecopenny for more videos in the future, and keep safe everyone. Hope we get through this COVID-19 situation soon.